Welcome to Factful Finance. Today, we're diving into something that's revolutionizing the way we think about creativity and income generation. What if I told you that AI is not just a tool for tech geeks and data scientists, but also your new best friend in graphic design, video editing, and social media marketing? In fact, it's opening up new doors for income that many are still missing out on. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of AI for these creative industries, this video is for you. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to monetize your skills with cutting-edge technology. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Any products, apps, or services mentioned here are not endorsements. Always consult with a certified financial professional to ensure you're making the best choices for your unique situation. Now let's break it down. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer in creative industries. We're seeing tools like Adobe Sensei and DeepArt.io helping artists, videographers, and marketers achieve results that were once unimaginable. But the big question is, how do you turn these tools into a steady income stream? First up, let's talk about AI in graphic design. Traditional graphic design used to require years of training, expensive software, and a lot of elbow grease. Now, AI can assist with everything from logo creation to website layouts. Platforms like Canva and Fodor use AI to help beginners create stunning designs quickly. But here's the kicker. People are paying for those designs. Whether it's freelance work on platforms like Fiverr or selling pre-made designs on marketplaces like Creative Market, you can leverage AI to boost your productivity and income. Let's take the example of Liam. Liam is a graphic designer who began using an AI-powered design tool to speed up his workflow. Instead of spending hours on client projects, he was able to deliver polished designs in a fraction of the time. In just 6 months, he doubled his income by offering faster turnaround times to clients. Imagine what you could do with the extra time freed up by AI. Wouldn't that be incredible? Moving on to video editing. This is where things get exciting. AI tools like Magisto or Adobe Premiere Pro's AI-driven features can help even beginners create professional quality videos without mastering every technical detail. AI can autocorrect lighting, stabilize shaky footage, or even add dynamic transitions, all with minimal input from you. Video content is in high demand right now, especially on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. The opportunities are endless, from editing videos for influencers to creating educational content, or even making explainer videos for businesses. Now let's look at Olivia. Olivia was a social media manager for a small business, but after integrating AI-powered video editing into her workflow, she was able to create engaging videos at a pace that outperformed her competitors. She started offering video editing services on freelance platforms and quickly built a steady stream of income. Her secret? She used AI to edit, leaving her time to focus on creative strategy and client relationships. Finally, social media marketing. AI is revolutionizing the way brands and individuals manage their online presence. From tools like Hootsuite and Buffer to AI-driven social media ad creation, the power of AI lies in its ability to analyze data and generate content that resonates with audiences. You don't have to be a marketing expert to tap into this. By learning how to use AI tools to optimize social media campaigns, you can manage accounts more efficiently and increase engagement, ultimately driving more income. Take Ava's example. Ava is a digital marketer who used AI tools to streamline her social media campaigns for a tech startup. She automated repetitive tasks like posting, content curation, and even some aspects of customer service. By doing so, Ava saved hours of work every week, which allowed her to take on more clients and scale her business. In 1 year, she saw a 40% increase in revenue by integrating AI into her workflow. Let's pause here and get real. AI is an investment. The tools might cost money up front, but the returns can be massive. According to a 2023 report from McKinsey & Company, AI is expected to add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. The question isn't whether you can make money with AI, it's how quickly you can start leveraging it. So, how do you get started? 1. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with the AI tools in your field. You don't need to be a tech guru, but understanding how AI can enhance your workflow is key. Choose your niche. Will you focus on design, video editing, or social media marketing? Pick one area to master and build from there. 3. Market your skills. Once you're comfortable with the tools, create a portfolio and start offering services on platforms like Upwork or directly to clients. 4. Keep scaling. As you get more efficient, reinvest in your business, whether it's upgrading software or hiring other creatives to expand your services. Incorporating AI into your creative workflow isn't just about keeping up with the trends, it's about positioning yourself as an innovator in an ever-evolving market. The future of work is happening now, and AI is leading the way. Which AI tool will you use to kickstart your creative income journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you're the first to know about the next big breakthrough in the world of finance and technology. Want to dive even deeper into how AI can help you maximize your earning potential? Stay tuned, because our next video will show you exactly how to use AI to create passive income streams. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you there.